The Indian Space and Research Organization is all set to launch its third lunar exploration mission on July 14. All the preparatory tests of Chandrayaan 3 is done successfully and is expected to be a success. According to the space agency, all scientists have worked hard not to repeat the errors of Chandrayaan 2 this time around. On September 7, 2019, the Chandrayaan 2 mission was launched by ISRO, but it failed when the space agency lost all contact with the Vikram lander, which was expected to make contact with the moon. Chandrayaan 2's Vikram lander tilted 410 degrees instead of the planned 55 degrees. ISRO lost contact with Vikram when it was just 400 meters away from the landing surface. The objective of the Chandrayaan 2 moon mission was to make a soft landing on the lunar surface. So, what went wrong on Chandrayaan 2 mission? The velocity of the Vikram lander was expected to slow down from 6,000 km per hour to 0 km per hour in 4 phases, but ISRO lost all contact with the lander ahead of its touchdown on the moon. The reason behind losing contact with the lander has been attributed to a software glitch. Due to the change in trajectory and the lack of speed reduction, the Vikram lander along with the moon rover Pragyan were destroyed when they crash landed on the moon. So how is Chandrayaan 3 different from Chandrayaan 2? Unlike Chandrayaan 2, the new moon mission spacecraft will not be carrying a rover aboard. Further, the Chandrayaan 3 spacecraft will carry a payload called spectropolarimetry of habitable planet Earth called SHAPE, which the previous mission did not have. SHAPE will study the spectral and polarimetric measurements of Earth from lunar orbit, which means that there are fewer chances of Chandrayaan 3 losing contact with ISRO and changing its trajectory unlike the previous mission to the moon.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Plus 5 seconds.
Lift-off normal.
Here we have a majestic lift-off of LVM-3 M4 rocket carrying India's prestigious Chandrayaan 3 spacecraft.
P2 tracking.
We can see the visual of the lander module, and we can see that the downrange traveled is nearly 831 kilometers. We are nearing the final phase of the power descent, which is going to be the vertical descent phase or the local navigation phase.
जी हाँ, अब हम फाइन ब्रेकिंग वेव्स के एकदम करीब आ चुके हैं। हाँ, आप तालियों के गड़गड़ाहट से सुन सकते हैं कि हम लोगों ने तीसरे चरण को भी बहुत ही सफलतापूर्वक हासिल कर लिया है और अभी हम वर्टिकल डिसेंट फेज में आ चुके हैं, जिसकी शुरुआत भी बहुत ही अच्छे ढंग से हो चुकी है।
Lot of applause indicates that till now the performance has been nominal. We are in the vertical descent phase 1. The horizontal as well as the vertical velocity is now being constantly reduced, and the lander module has begun its descent towards the landing site.
जी हाँ,
Currently only 2 engines are now being fired, and we are nearly at 0 velocity, vertical and horizontal. We were hovering and now we are approaching the moon's surface.
लड़ती पतंगों में